Hi everybody, so I'm going to hopefully get this boat wheel sorted out today. Okay, so each handle's got approximately a 10mm hole in it, which is the perfect size for the worm screw, the chuck screw. CA glue, just so it goes roughly, covers up. Okay, so for the caps it's red Coolabah that I'm using. In there, and then clamp it up. Okay, so this is the finished article for now. It was yeah, it wasn't my favourite project. When I found that when something you replicate something, I don't find it that enjoyable. So I had five. Well, I did this one and left it with these stripes on here to signify that when the outboard motor is in straight line with the boat. I've given it a lacquer to give it some protection. I still need to get this sprayed up. It's looking alright, it's nice. It's better than what it was when I first bought it second hand with all the brown paint on it. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll get some pictures when I put it on the boat. Thanks everyone, see you soon.